Hello there, welcome to Programming Guys channel. Please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button, comments and like my videos.
The course objective. In this video, we will learn the introduction to programming. The language we will be using is Java, not JavaScript. For your information, Java and JavaScript are two different things. It is like Fire and Firefox. They are not the same thing although their name almost similar. The next point is, this course is designed for completely beginner. So, if you are new to programming and have not writing a single programming code, this course is right for you. Throughout this course, I will guide you from zero to hero, from beginner to advanced programmer. The next objective is I will introduce you the computer science concept. What we will learn here are the algorithm. We will discuss this topic in next slide. We also will learn problem solving, design analysis and object-oriented programming or OOP in short. So, let's get started. We'll start by the definition of computer science. What is the computer science actually? Well, computer science is the study of algorithms for processing information. We know about the processing information, but what about algorithms? Algorithms is a process or set of rules to be followed in calculations or other problem-solving operations, especially by a computer. So, you can think of an algorithm as a recipe that describes the exact step needed for a computer to solve a problem. For instance, think about food recipe. They listed the ingredients needed and steps for how to make a described meal. Well, an algorithm is just like that. A programming algorithm describes how to do something, and your computer will do it exactly that way every time. Next, what is programming language? Well, programming language is a set of rules or instructions that produce various kind of output. Programming language is used to implement algorithms. Since we think of an algorithm is like a recipe, then we'll need a language to write the recipe. In real world, we can write our recipe in many languages such as English, Russian, Spanish etc. But in terms of computer programming, there exists thousands of programming language, but in the course, we will learn one of them, which is Java. We're done with first introduction lecture. Let's recap. Computer science is a study of algorithm for processing information. We learned that algorithm is a process or set of rules to be followed by a computer. And we also learn programming language is a formal language, which consists of set of command, instruction and syntax to create an algorithm. For the next lecture, we'll discuss and go deeper about the structure of Java program and writing your first Hello World program to the console. See you in next video, bye bye.